If you've been having trouble with sleep, I want to share with you one of the tools we use here in our office to help people get asleep, stay asleep, and stop snoring. I'm Dr. Greg Gersten with the Align Wellness Center, and I help people live a life of optimal health and well-being through natural means. As a part of our sleep protocol, when people are having problems, this tool right here helps us with it. It is a cold laser that winds up having specific protocols that can help rest the centers of your brain that help to wind up supporting sleep so that you can wind up getting the sleep that you need. This unique laser and treatment protocol has helped a lot of our patients to relax better, sleep better, and feel better. This, in conjunction with a corrective chiropractic program, has solved the problem of sleep issues for many people. To see if you may be a candidate for laser therapy or for chiropractic care, feel free to reach out to our office. Additionally, you may even find a consultation link down below that can help you to find your time and get checked to see if this may be an option to help you sleep better, help the person next to you sleep better, and for you to feel more energized. Once again, I'm Dr. Greg Gersten, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.